No, very good.
No.
The story of the Ugly Duckling, Hans Christian Andersen's version, is legend and something that the swan community live by.
Yeah, it's also set in the world of the swan school, so they have to teach all the cygnets in the pond how to be swans and how to grow up really fast and really quickly.
But there are some ducklings that don't want to abide by the same rules. I'm playing Sydney, who is a bit of an ugly duckling and has a really big journey to the end of the show.
I'm playing Spruce, and Spruce is an ugly duckling as well. She's a cygnet, and she's in love with being right, she's very competitive, and she is hardworking.
I'm playing Coach Spring, who is a swan, and she is the teacher of these cygnets. She is training them to get them ready and perfect for their swan display.
Everyone.
Yeah, I think adults will enjoy it as well because there's a lot of comedic moments in there that will make adults feel young again, feel alive, so that's great, that's for everyone, definitely.
Oh, ugly duck, Lynn.
Ugly duckling.
Yeah, I'm definitely ugly duck.